Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I will show you how to check whether your hard drive is GPT or MBR scheme. So this is very important for you to check whether your disk is MBR or GPT, because if you are going to install your Windows, so you first have to check your hard disk. So let's go without wasting any time. Firstly, you have to go on this PC, right click on manage, and then wait for it, and then go to disk management, double click on it, and then you can see that I have two hard drives in front of you. The first one is the SSD and the second one is the HDD. So I am going to check the SSD. So right click on this and then go to properties and then go to volume. See this is GPT partition scheme. This is in front of you, UI partition table. Okay, now I am going to check another one. Right click on this, same as the above, click on the properties, and then you can choose sorry, I made a little mistake. Right click on this and then properties, and then go to volume, and then you can see this is the MBR partition scheme. So this is very important to check. Okay, so that's it. If you like my video, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon, so never miss an update. Okay,